In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Roblox does not support admin installation. So, step one, what you're going to do here is to simply go to the search icon or menu, type Roblox, and then click Open File Location. Once you're here, right click again, and then tap Open File Location again. Scroll down and look for this Roblox with .exe, and then go to Properties. And then this time, you just have to look for compatibility, and then make sure that you click this one as administrator or run this program as administrator. Click Apply, and then click OK. Now, if this one didn't work after doing this, you can proceed to step two. Go to the search icon, go to settings, click open. And then here, what you're going to do is to tap this app, go to installed apps, and then look for Roblox. You can simply scroll down, look for Roblox, or you can type it right here, Roblox, and then click this three dots, tap and install. Okay, and then step three, what you're going to do is to simply go to any web browser, type roblox.com, and then select any game here. For example, this one. Now click the green button. After you tap that, you have to click download and install. Now go to download folder, right click Roblox, and then click run as administrator. And I hope by doing this, it will fix the problem. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.